I just want to show a little update. Now, less than 24 hours ago, I rake thinned this row of kale, and I'm going to show you a picture of it right after I did it, and this is just the next day. This is less than 24 hours. Now, we got a very gentle rain last night, but all those little kale plants have stood back up and they're headed back up toward the sky. And I still have some thicker areas along the edges that I might get in there with just a little hand scratcher that I have and do the same thing today. But all in all, it's pretty much recovered from the beating I gave it yesterday. But I just wanted to do this to show you that, yeah, you can rake thin and don't be scared, because the plants come right back. So that is more of what we'll want in a wide row for something like kale. Kale's going to get a foot high or more, and they're big plants if they're allowed to get that big. Just wanted to show you guys.